first what I like to do is just clear out the leaves so I can see what's going on, being quite careful of any bulbs that are starting to shoot up. Just using a small hand fork just to rake out the leaves so you can see what's going on basically. Any rubbish, collect it up, get rid of that. But that's the best I can do for right now for the leaves. So next we'll just cut back any dead material from last season. Next, just gonna feed through, get rid of some of these weeds. The ground's quite soft at the moment, so decent time to start weeding and getting on top of that. Looking a bit better already. It doesn't take long to get beds back to shape really, as long as you're prepared to just get stuck in. You can leave the leaves there and they'll just compost down. A little zhuzh up of the soil, just to add a little bit of aeration really. See the little bulbs coming up there, look, so just have to be careful when you're weeding at this time of the year. Not looking too bad now, just give it a little zhuzh. Okay. Right, just having 5 minutes, waiting for a cup of tea come in. I just wanted to say thanks again for all the subscriptions and the likes that I've been getting over the past week or so. If you've not been over the channel, head over there and have a look at my other videos, like and subscribe. And if you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below. I think that'll ding dong do. Oh, look at that. Get rid of that dead bit. Right, well, that's the first bed done. That's the second bed done, ready for the mulching, which I'll probably do on my next visit. That's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.